Welcome to Lazy Ways to Create a Brand Kit in Canva. Today, I'm walking you through how to build a polished, consistent brand without hiring a designer. Whether you're a solopreneur, a side hustler, or a small business owner, this video will show you how to glow up your clunky designs with a professional-looking brand kit you can actually stick to. I'll show you how to build a brand kit using real design methodology without getting lost in design school speak. Want a shortcut? I put together a drag-and-drop brand kit template pack for Canva to help you skip the setup. It includes 3 pre-designed brand board layouts you can customize with your own colors, fonts, and logo, even if you're starting from scratch. Grab it free using the link in the description below and build a brand that looks as good as it feels. First things first, the logo. In Canva, head to the left sidebar, Brand. It will open up brand kits. Click Add New, name your brand kit. Once the editor loads, upload your logo as a PNG file under the logo section. If you have an SVG file, even better. It scales cleanly and lets you change colors without losing quality. If all you got is a PNG file, that's fine too. Just make sure you upload all versions with a transparent background. The point is to stop hunting through old folders every time you need your logo. Put it in Canva once and done. Next up, colors. AKA how to stop using 50 shades of beige, unless you're into that sort of thing, or you're a millennial. Which is fine, there's nothing wrong with beige, right? In Canva Pro, you can add multiple palettes, primary, secondary, and whatever you want. If you're not sure which color scream you, quickly head to canva.com/colors, upload an image you love, boom! Instant color palette. Or you can use the nifty color wheel tool to play around with some color combinations. You got your colors? Copy those hex codes and paste them into your brand kit. With your color palette locked in, you'll save time and make any Canva template look like it belongs to your brand. Next up, fonts. The silent deal breaker of good design. Canva lets you set quite a few levels: heading, subheading, title, quote, even highlight. But all you need is actually 2. Keep it simple. Pick fonts that actually fit your brand. Search words like modern, feminine, or bold. And if you got your own custom fonts, you snob, drop them into Canva so you can use them. When in doubt, pair a bold, attention-grabbing font for your headings with a clean and simple font for your body. For example, try using Playfair Display for your headings and Open Sans for anything else. It creates contrast and keeps your designs easy to read. My next video dives deeper into choosing fonts, pairing them like pro, and avoiding the most common typography mistakes. So hit subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell to make sure that you don't miss it, especially if you've ever found yourself stuck hours trying to pick the right fonts. Guilty as charged. Once you set these, every design you make will automatically look consistent, like you got your life together, even if you don't. Okay, your visuals matter, but so do your words. And that's where your brand voice comes in. Your brand voice is how your business sounds in writing. Think Instagram captions, emails, website copy, even how you talk to customers. It should match your visual style and reflect your personality, which is unique, so that everything feels cohesive and effortless. Are you casual and playful, calm and professional, bold and rebellious? Once you know your voice, it's way easier to write captions, emails, and even taglines that actually sound like your brand. Yeah, but what actually is your brand voice? If you don't know yet, I made a quick brand voice quiz to help you find in 2 minutes. And once you're done, you'll get your voice style, examples, and how to use it in your brand kit. Once your visuals and voice are aligned, your brand won't just look consistent, it'll feel consistent too. And that's what makes it stick. Okay, now it's time to give your brand a personality. You can upload your own brand photos. And if you don't have a library yet, pick a few that feel like your brand. Canva even lets you generate images with a prompt, thanks to AI. Okay, this is a bit advanced, but you can also add some graphic elements or icon sets that fit your aesthetic. Minimal lines, organic textures, neon blobs, whatever your thing is. This is how your Instagram grid stops looking like patchwork kilt and starts looking more like strategy. now here we are at the fairy godmother magic moment you've all been waiting for. Open any Canva template. On the left panel, click Styles. Under Design, you'll see your brand fonts and colors there. Bippity, boppity, boop! Just one click and Canva will apply your fonts and colors to the whole design. Your random template is now your own branded masterpiece. Then swap out the template photos with your own brand photos or anything from your Uploads folder. Just drag and drop. Want copy that actually sounds like you? Use Canva's built-in AI to generate headlines or captions in your own brand voice. Et voila! You just did in 20 seconds what most people pay a designer to do in a week. And you didn't even break a sweat. And that's it. Your brand kit is officially done. Ah! The lazy way, the smart way, the Canva way. Every post, presentation, or pitch deck you make from now on will look cohesive, intentional, on brand, and slightly more expensive than it actually was. One last thing before you go, I highly recommend creating a quick brand board design so that you can visualize your entire brand at a glance. It's the easiest way to make sure that everything you just chose, your font, your logo, your color palette, everything looks consistent and on brand before you start applying it to every design. If you're not sure what it looks like, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I've created 3 Canva brand board templates for you to use and drag and drop your designs into, play around with, and make it easy. So go set it up once and sip your coffee, and make sure to leave a comment below sharing your top takeaway from this video that you found most useful, and I'll respond to every single one. And don't forget to grab your freebies from the description so you can shortcut the whole process. Now that you know how to create a professional brand kit in Canva, you might be wanting to learn how to choose fonts for your brand. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming video where I'll be talking about just that. See you next time!